In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure messaging in SimplePractice. If you're looking for a private, streamlined way to communicate with clients directly inside your practice platform, this setting is exactly what you need. Secure messaging keeps conversations contained within SimplePractice, helping you maintain confidentiality and keep all communication organized alongside client records. Start by logging in to your SimplePractice account as you normally would. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find this as a gear icon or a settings link in the left-hand navigation. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Messaging. Open that and then select Secure Messaging. This is the area where you can control whether clients and providers can exchange messages inside the platform. On the Secure Messaging page, locate the toggle labeled Secure Messaging with Clients, or a similarly named option depending on interface updates. Switch that toggle on. When you do, Secure Messaging becomes active for your account so you can communicate with clients in a secure, centralized place. In most layouts, turning the toggle on takes effect right away. If your screen indicates that changes are being saved, just give it a moment to finish. A few quick notes to help you get the most out of this feature. Secure messaging keeps conversations within the SimplePractice ecosystem, which means sensitive details won't be sent over regular email. Clients will typically access these messages through their portal, and you'll see your conversations in your account. If you don't see the messaging or secure messaging options, it may be due to your user role or subscription settings. In that case, make sure you're signed in with the appropriate permissions or check with the account administrator to confirm access. If the toggle doesn't appear, try refreshing your browser, confirming you're on a supported, up-to-date browser, and making sure you're on the latest version of the platform. Small interface changes can happen from time to time, so the exact wording may vary slightly, but the location, settings, then messaging, then secure messaging, remains consistent. Once the toggle is on, you're all set. Secure messaging is enabled, and your communication can stay organized and private right where you manage scheduling, notes, and billing. That's all it takes. Log in, navigate to Settings, open Messaging and Secure Messaging, and turn on the Secure Messaging with Clients toggle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to follow along for more quick, practical tips to keep your practice running smoothly.